none of we can't come back from. No hurt, no shame, no despair, anything in which you've been through. I come to tell you, you can make it. You just gotta be encouraged. And the only thing you gotta realize is that there's encouragement all around us. When you're in your home, the roof says aim high. The window says see the world. Your phone says call and connect with others. The Bible says don't forget about Jesus. The floor says kneel and pray. Listen, y'all, no matter where you are, I need you to be encouraged because things about to get better. Things about to turn around. Things about to literally work out in your favor. You can't give up now. This is your best time. This is about to be your breakthrough point, not your breaking point. Don't give up, my brother. Don't give up, my sister. You come too far to give up now.